In this quick guide, I'll be showing you Spetsnaz Exposed for Black Mous. What we need to do is find the Spetsnaz documents in the Koschei Complex Alpha Cluster, extract the documents, and finally deliver Spetsnaz documents to the Phalanx Dead Drop near the Vondel University. Simple enough, we need to enter the Koschei Complex, get the documents, extract, and go into the Vondel map, drop them in the University Dead Drop, and that's really it. It's a long mission, but definitely doable. So 2 car batteries and a ton of jumper cables. I can probably dump half of these, to be honest. Alright, so there we go. We're now down here. Let's hopefully find all that we're looking for. 3 plate, useful, and a munitions box. Right, so toggling night vision, let's see if we can do something in here. So we are mainly here just to extract, and hopefully extract with these Spetsnaz documents. Right, let's see, this is the way down to the Alpha Complex. We just need to place some power here. Ooh, which somebody's already done. That is pretty spooky, but it seems like they're extracting already. Right, so it seems like someone beat us here, but hopefully they haven't gone ahead and done everything for us. As in, hopefully we can still find the Spetsnaz documents on the far side of this place, which I am still relatively hopeful for, but I think they've already been nabbed. Seems like it. Damn. Now at the back, the south side, you can expect to find this upstairs area with the broken staircase here, and climbing up it all the way across, straight across from where you entered on the far south of this area, you should be able to find the Spetsnaz documents upstairs here on the floor, just like that. Now put these in the safe space that you won't forget them in. That is pretty much all we need to do now. Now we just need to extract and get to the dead drop near the Vondel University in one piece. We did what we can. I just hope that it works. Please work. Why? Alright, and into the main complex, we'll head to the right and hopefully get everything done that we need. So, all the way here, and here's the right door. So, power, and now we can go for it. Let's see if the documents are here. So, across to the other side, to the left, or the right rather. There we go, Spetsnaz documents. And now with both of these documents, let's go ahead and leave. You know what, let's actually leave at a different one. Let's go for that exit. Standing in the dead center, let's see if this works. We have both of these items on me. Oh, there we go. Now that we have the Spetsnaz documents extracted, we need to take them to Vondel. Okay, so with this item still in our inventory, we'll need to take it to the Phalanx Dead Drop near the Vondel University. Just make sure you don't die, otherwise you'll be going all the way back for it. So, we'll go ahead and search for a Vondel mission, and now we just need to drop it near the university. Simple enough. Alright, so hopefully we're in the place that I think we're in, and we're not. But at least we're on the north side of the map. We need to head over here to right next to the university in the middle right of F3. Now you do want to arrive there in one piece, no matter what. So taking a vehicle is probably a safe bet. We need to keep these documents with us. Right, so we're in the right location. Let's go hopefully straight for it and drop off the item just like that. Awesome. That should complete the mission. Perfect. So thank you all for watching. That's been Spetsnaz Exposed. I've been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.